You said you want to see the new. Okay. I just got to do right by you. Okay. I got to do right by you, honey. You got to keep coming back. Look at this. This is so cute. Okay. So this is supposed to be like, I don't want to say hydrangeas, geraniums, I think it's called. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this with the star. Chow, honey, fancy, fancy, mancy. So you're going to come and get one of these, especially if you're a person that's into DIYs or you love decorating your house according to the themes and stuff, the holidays. This is so fancy, fancy, mancy. Absolutely love this. They also have, honey, look at, you can't tell me this not fancy. Honey, don't you dare tell me this not fancy. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look, honey, they done made a flower out of a flag theme. Check this out. This is absolutely gorgeous. $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree, they've been delivering for you and me. You know I came to deliver. Did you see this? I know. That's what I said, child. As soon as I came down here, I said, oh my goodness, what is this? Okay, so this is the moisturizing cream conditioner, okay, formulated with shea butter, $1.25 from Be Pure. Honey, now you know what I say about, well, honey, it's not $1.25, it's actually $3. Okay, so used to saying $1.25. Now, you guys know how I feel about the conditioners and the shampoos, okay, at Dollar Tree. You know, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be using, no shampoos or no conditioners unless times are a certain way. Now, Dollar Tree has, now they say, compared to Cantu, sulfate-free, free hydrate, and cream conditioner. Honey, this just looks fancy of the McFanciest. Okay, but I'm a little scared, okay? I done had my fair share of shampoos and conditioners from here, okay? Nourishing Cream shampoo, formulated with shea butter, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gently cleanses hair and scalp, $3. So altogether you are going to be paying $6 for the conditioner and a shampoo. And I guess this it has been a hit, because as you can see, it's only a few left, especially when it comes to the conditioner. Okay, honey, Dollar Tree gonna have you move your feet 1, 2, 3. Now, another shampoo that they have that I have not tried is the Petal Fresh Pure Anti-Frizz Shampoo. Calms unruly tangled hair. Shampoo anti-freeze. Shampooing, okay, and a smell, the scent, lavender. Now, this is $1.25. Okay, another item, and I'm not in your business, but this is, for the ones, honey, your secret is safe with me. Compared to active ingredients and Vagisil, okay, feminine anti-itch cream. Dollar Tree has now relief from intense burning and itching. Now, I don't know, maybe this is for, let me see, maybe for a yeast infection, I'm thinking, okay? Honey, this is $5. Dollar Tree, they sell it. Honey, I can't make this up. Honey, they out here selling everything. Okay, so you ready? You ready for me to have you move your feet to the beat out in these streets? Oh, I got some treats for you, child. You gonna like this one. In fact, you gonna like this so much that you gonna subscribe. I know, I just have that faith in myself. I'm just that confident. Get into this, because I know what you like. You a fancy one, okay? You wouldn't even came up. You wouldn't even came up if you wasn't fancy, honey. Get into these. So Dollar Tree said, we finna deliver. Shout out to me for bringing this to your attention, honey. Now, Dollar Tree has this full body aluminum free deodorant compared to Old Spice. Now, Pits, Privates, and more, Dollar Tree says, with a hint of vanilla and shea, lasting freshness from Extra Care. Now, they also have compared to Secret whole body aluminum free deodorant, Pits, Privates, and more, long lasting peach and vanilla scented. Really, really cool. Now, these are $3. All right, so Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna give you the treats, the steal deals. We gonna give you the treats to move your feet. Look at these. Begin each day with kindness. I know that's right. But honey, Dollar Tree, isn't only giving you the oven mitts, but they also giving you the 2 pot holders. And then they also, honey, get into it, the mugs. Okay, my fave is definitely this one. Saturdays are for girls. These are $1.25. They also have the saucers, the bowls. Absolutely love these. They also have the bumblebee bowls, which are really, really fancy pantsy, and along with the saucers. Love this. But honey, if you really want to do it, get into it. These are really, really cute. These plates down here, absolutely love these. Honey, you gonna be fancy pantsy on a budget. Yes, yes, you ain't gotta break the budget to be fancy. Okay, all right, absolutely loved it. Listen, my loves, all I could do was deliver. And as words to the mother and a brother. So I hope you read it. You know, you may want to get you a notebook and a pen to have your list for when you come to Dollar Tree. Okay? Because things can get a bit out of hand, to say the least. Check this out. Just in case, if you have not seen Dollar Tree new nail collection from Pretty Woman, honey, it's the packaging for me. They changing the packaging, honey. They doing it 100% PCR, honey. I don't even know what that is. Wait, hold on, child. Let me see. This writing is so small. Pure. Honey, I can't see that. Okay, now, these are so cute. You see this with the little rhinestone? Honey, fancy pantsy mancy, looking just like Lancy, okay? 24 false nails, 24 adhesive tabs, and plus pink nail glue, all for $1.25. They also have the raindrop effect. Now, if brown is your dang, like a chicken wing, now Dollar Tree has the 24 false nails, the same exact concept. This concept, the design is different. It has the rainfall effect, which I absolutely love. If you are more on the wild side, like taking chances, this may be your cup of tea. You see how they got that fire flame right there? Honey, that bit may be for you and me. Look at this. These nail designs, these are cute, to say the least. $1.25. Honey, you ain't got to think twice. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Pretty Mini. So if you want to get your teenage daughter or probably your preteen or your little girl these Pretty Mini nails, these are 10 pre-nailed glued artificial nails for $1.25. No glue needed. Absolutely love this. I don't know, honey, where they get in their nails, like with the coordination, well, the decorations. But look at this. This is so cute. Now, this is the sprinkles, child. 12 pieces, kids nails, $1.25. These are so cute. They short, precise, just right. They also have these nails right here with the little flowers on here. These are absolutely beautiful. 12 pieces as well. And get into these with the cherries. Honey, Dollar Tree just showing out now. In this case, they just showing out. And then look at these. Oh, child, these are so cute. Okay. Honey, you will get a few of these for your nieces. If you don't have no children, you could get these for your nieces, let me see. I was about to say grandchildren, honey. For your nieces, for your goddaughters, okay? These are really cute. Now, some other nails that Dollar Tree has is these fashion nails. But, honey, I like the new designs that they have. These look okay. These, they look okay. But, honey, I like these. Let me know which one you guys like the best, okay? Is it A, B, or C? Honey, mine's is A, and then it would be C, and then it will be B. You guys like all the nails. Another nail set that is really cute is these nail paloozas, okay? The short rounds. This is giving me, the flags, okay? You know those flags? Honey, I don't want to say. But 12 nails for $1.25. Absolutely love these. An item that Dollar Tree has is this travel size bottles that you can take apart. You get 4 bottles. You can put lotions in here. You can put 4 different types of lotions in here, okay? You can put other stuff in here. I'm trying to think of what other stuff you will put in here. Now, these come in 2 different colors. They have the pink and they also have the green. You guys know, if you don't, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the makeup stick. from LA Colors. Honey, get into it. This is a nice 3-in-1 makeup stick, twist up, lipstick, blush, and eyeshadow. How you doing? Other items that Dollar Tree has is these cool iPads. They 2 pieces. They have the cherry ones. They also have the smiley faces. Absolutely love these. And then they also have the orange slices. These are so cute. $1.25. If you want a deep puff, okay, maybe you got bags up under your eyes, honey, you can come and get these. You can use these chilled or heated. Absolutely love this. Dollar Tree also have the 100% pure and natural essential oil. This is tea tree oil, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the beauty palettes over here. Now, you can mix custom nails and cosmetic colors. These are $1.25. They come in 2 different colors. I have seen some other ones as well. This is Fancy Pantsy Mancy. If you are into making your own custom colors, really cool. For $1.25, honey, that's a steal deal. If you are looking for some wax strips, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have the lavender hair removal strips, are great for touch-ups and travel. Hair grows back finer and softer, says Dollar Tree. 10 strips, 2 wipes, quick, easy, effective from Dreamology. Honey, this is fancy. If you are looking for some matte lipstick, okay, Dollar Tree has the Glam Palooza makeup bar over here. This is really cute. They have the liquid lipstick, raspberry. They also have the peach berry matte lipstick. Absolutely love this. And this is called Matte Ink liquid lipstick. They also have the eyeshadow sticks over here, which I absolutely love. They have the purple amethyst. Honey, get into this, okay, with the crystals, the crystal names. Okay, amethyst shimmer. They also have cranberry shimmer. They also have the swipe and go blush stick, raspberry. And then they also have the Rockstar Mascara, okay? This is brown, and then they also have black. Honey, this gives me, 70s theme, but it also gives me, like lip gloss or something like that in a tube. Honey, tell me they not getting fancy. Dollar Tree said we been fancy, honey. Fancy items that Dollar Tree has that I absolutely just love. This is giving me, for some reason, it's giving me like you on the beach, right? You sitting by a pool or something. On the beach, sitting by the pool. Honey, you fancy, okay? You got your 2-piece bathing suit on. You got lemonade in here, or you one of those fancy girls. You got your big straw hat on that you got from Dollar Tree. You see I'm giving you a whole visual right now. These are so cute. For $1.25, honey, you was a fancy one, okay? You ain't gonna take nothing that ain't fancy. It wouldn't even be you. Absolutely love these. These are cute. Now, Dollar Tree also has these amazing pinwheels. These are so cute in the shape of a rose. Absolutely love these. $1.25. They come in different colors. This is Fancy Pantsy Mancy. Outdoor fun. I know that's right. Honey, make sure you having fun. If you are also looking for some more summer fun, Dollar Tree has the inflatable pizza toss game. This is really cool. Sand and swim. These are $5. They also have this. Look at this one. really cute inflatable water game. Oh my goodness, honey. This is a steal deal. Honey, you can add some money to this one. You get what I'm saying? To the 10, 20, 30, whoever get the 30, honey, you can get 50, okay? They also have the H2O Surf Buddy Pool Rider. This is $5. What about the Splash Party Glitter Gold Super Noodle? $3. These are really cute. Honey, get into the gold. I am a gold girl. And then they also have the pool tube, which is $3. Absolutely love this. This is Fancy Pantsy Mancy. If you really want to have a good time, honey, come down to Dollar Tree and get the Bunch O balloons. Fill entire 100 water balloons in 60 seconds. When I tell you, you and your children will have a fabulous time with these bunch balloons. Honey, these are so fun. And when you go to the park, make sure you have about 3 of these, because honey, all the little kids is gonna come up to you and want to get a balloon or two. So as I am walking, I see these drinks, these protein drinks. Now, let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever tried these. These are called Elite Pro. Honey, anything elite-ish, okay? Honey, I may be down, okay? Only what you need. Plant protein, 0 grams of sugar, chocolate, 32 grams. Honey, it looks fancy. Now, let me tell you something. When it comes to like the chocolatey drinks and stuff like that, most likely this probably would have cacao powder in there. I like the vanilla or something like that. That tastes like really, really tasty to me. I have never tried these, so I don't know, But if you're a chocolate fan and you absolutely love plant protein, honey, this may be your thing, like a chicken wing. These are $1.25. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item. Honey, they had so many new items. I mean, from the oven mittens to the gloves, okay? Saturdays are for girls. Honey, absolutely love that mug. They also had all the fancy pantsy nails, the makeup, the body spray, deodorant. Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.